What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how you can change the color of widgets on iOS 14. Before we get into this, I want to recommend everybody check out the free iPhone sweepstakes we've got going on with USweeps. Now, we've partnered up with these guys for the last couple of years. It's completely free to enter this on a quick email submit, so I'll have a link in both the description and comments if you want to check it out. All right, so I've got both the iPhone 11 and iPhone SE2 here, and I'm going to actually load up the app you're going to need, which is called Color Widgets. Now, I've had a chance to kind of like mess around with this app for the last couple of days, and I think it's actually really cool, and I think most of you out there can benefit from using it as far as like adding a custom color widget, you know, on iOS 14. Now, this app's completely free to install, and, you know, once you open it, you're going to be able to literally customize, the color of, the widget you want on here. You can add custom colors, change fonts, and it's cool. And obviously, you're going to have a few different sizes you can use for this as well. So I'm going to do one color widget on the iPhone SE2, and then I'm going to throw one up on the iPhone 11. Also, you know what? I'll throw a link in, the description of this video too, to make it easier for you guys if you just want to click over to it. But let's check this out. So I guess I'll start over here with the iPhone 11. We'll add it. Now it should just, pop up under color widgets once you've downloaded the app, and then you can see I've got the green one over here. 3 different sizes. I'm going to go with the medium one right here. Nice little medium size. And then we'll add it on the SE2 over here on my right. And we'll probably go with a smaller size. Maybe we'll just go with that one right there. Oh, never mind. I'll go with the jumbo one. All right, so we got the jumbo slice right there, custom color widget, and then I got like the medium size on the iPhone 11. But it is a really cool app. I definitely recommend experimenting with it a little bit. I'm sure they'll add some updates to it as time goes on. All right, as usual here, I do want to wrap things up here with a quick COD Mobile session, mainly because they updated this game recently. Been back on my COD Mobile, gameplay here, so we're going to check this out. If you guys could also smash the like button as you're watching this, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and let's get into some of this gameplay.
Deathmatch. Enemy contact. Taking the lead. We tied for the lead. Reloading. Cover me. Taking the lead. Changing mag. Reloaded. Target's in sight. UAV recon standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. UAV online. Reloading! Reloading! Cover me! Got shot! Missile on standby. Changing mag! Target's in sight! I'm down! Need backup! I'm down! Reloading!
contact! I got shot! Need backup! Reloading! Reloading! Cover me!
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
Changing mag! Good shot! Enemy contact! I'm down!
UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. UAV online. Killer drone on standby.
Need backup! I'm down! Reloading!
Hunter-killer drone deployed.
Target's in sight.
Nukes ready. Warning, friendly nuke has been launched. Repeat, friendly nuke has been launched. Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Enemy in sight.
We're almost there. Keep it up. Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted.
Contact with enemy!